Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed neighborhood system of a point and solved some examples. Okay, now let me discuss properties of neighborhoods. Theorem 1. Let X tau be a topological space, then first property, every element X belongs to X has at least one neighborhood. First property is, if X tau is a topological space, then every element of this set X has at least one neighborhood. Second property, every neighborhood of element of X contains X. Every neighborhood of, suppose A is a point, every neighborhood of A contains A. If B is a point, every neighborhood of B contains B. Okay. Third property, every superset of a neighborhood of X belongs to X is a neighborhood of X. Suppose X is any element of the set X, then superset of neighborhood of X is also a neighborhood of X. Fourth property, the intersection of two neighborhoods of a point X belongs to the set X is also a neighborhood. Intersection of two neighborhoods of a point is also a neighborhood. Fifth property, if n is a neighborhood of a point X belongs to X, then there exists a neighborhood M of X such that M contained in n and M is a neighborhood of each of its point. This property nothing but, if n is the neighborhood of this point, then there exists another neighborhood M such that n is a superset of M or M is subset of M contained in n. Then M is a neighborhood of each of its points. Okay. Proof. First one, suppose X being an open set. If X tau is a topological space, then the members of tau are also open sets. Same, X is also one of the member of a tau, so X is an open set. It is neighborhood of each of its point. If X is a open set, nothing but it is neighborhood of each of its points. So each X belongs to X has at least one neighborhood, namely X. Therefore, every element has at least one neighborhood. Second property, every neighborhood of X contains X. Let n be a neighborhood of point X belongs to X. Then, by the definition of neighborhood of a point, there exists an open set G such that X belongs to G contained in N. Clearly, this X belongs to N. So, each neighborhood of X contains X. X is element of N, nothing but each neighborhood of X is N, which contains X. Third one, every superset of neighborhood of a point is also a neighborhood. Let n be a neighborhood of a point X belongs to X. Here, superset of n is also a neighborhood. We have to show that superset of n is also a neighborhood. Let K be the superset of n, that is n contained in K. K is a superset of n is a subset of K. Then by the definition of neighborhood of a point, there exists an open set G. Here n is a neighborhood, there exists an open set G such that X belongs to G, G contained in n. But n is subset of K. This implies X belongs to G, G contained in K. Therefore, by the definition of neighborhood, K is also a neighborhood of X. So, every superset of a neighborhood of X is a neighborhood of X. Fourth one, let intersection of two neighborhoods of a point is also a neighborhood. Let n1 and n2 be two neighborhoods of X belongs to X. Then by the definition of neighborhoods, there exist open sets G1 and G2 such that X belongs to G1 contained in N1 and X belongs to G2 contained in N2. Therefore, X belongs to G1 intersection G2 contained in N1 intersection N2. Thus, G1 intersection G2 is an open set containing X also contained in N1 and N2. This shows that this is a neighborhood. This shows that N1 intersection N2 is neighborhood of a point X. Okay, last one. Okay, let n be a neighborhood of X. Then there exists an open set M such that X belongs to M contained in N. Okay, Here M is an open set. Now M being an open set, it is a neighborhood of each of its points. Hence the results. Next, characteristics of open set theorem. A subset of a topological space is an open if and only if it is neighborhood of each of its open points. Here, suppose like X tau is a topological space. G is a subset of X. Then G is open if and only if it is a neighborhood of each of its points. Okay, suppose let X tau be a topological space and let G contained in X. Let G be an open set. Then for each X contained in G, there exists an open set G such that X belongs to G contained in G. Here we have to show that G is open if and only if it is a neighborhood of each of its points. Okay, let G be open, then for each X contained in G, there exists an open set G such that X belongs to G contained in G. So here this shows that by the definition this is a neighborhood of each of its points. This shows that G is a neighborhood of each of its points. Conversely, let in the reverse case, let G be a neighborhood of each of its point, then we have to show that G is open. Okay, if G equals pi, obviously pi is open, clearly it is open. Okay, if G is not equal to pi, then for each X belongs to G, there exists an open set Gx such that X belongs to Gx contained in G. Then it is clear that G equals union of Gx such that X belongs to G, but each Gx being an open set and the arbitrary union of open set is again an open set. Here Gx is an open set, arbitrary union of open set is again open set. It follows that G is open set.